In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Zillow listing from your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a property to friends, family, or clients in just a few taps. First, make sure you have the Zillow app installed and that your iPhone is connected to the internet. Open the Zillow app from your home screen. If this is your first time using it, give the app a moment to load your location and preferences. Keeping the app updated helps ensure the interface and sharing options look the way I'm describing. Next, find the property you want to share. You can navigate there however you prefer. Maybe you just saw it on the map, scrolled through your feed, or searched by address or neighborhood. Tap the property card to open the full listing. This will bring up the complete details page, including photos, price, and description. It's helpful to confirm you're on the correct listing before sharing, especially if similar homes appear nearby. Once the listing is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the share icon. It looks like a square with an upward pointing arrow. Tap that. If you don't see it immediately, make sure you've opened the listing details, not just the preview. Tapping the share icon brings up the iOS share sheet, which is Apple's built-in panel for sending content from one app to another. Now choose how you want to share. If you pick messages, the listing link will drop into a new message, ready for you to select a contact and add a quick note. This is great for fast, personal sharing. If you prefer mail, the link will open in a new email draft, which can be useful for longer messages or when you need a subject line and a bit more context. Social apps, like your preferred chat or social network, will open with the link inserted so you can post or send it through that platform's usual flow. And if you choose copy link, the listing's URL is placed on your clipboard. That's perfect when you want to paste it somewhere specific, like a document, a notes app, or a different messaging tool. A couple of quick tips. If you share frequently with the same people, iOS may suggest them at the top of the share sheet to speed things up. And if you need to include additional details, like the price or a standout feature, glance at the listing first, then mention it in your message so the recipient knows why it caught your eye. That's all there is to it. Open Zillow, pick the property, tap share, and choose your preferred method.